Good morning, lovelies. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have the second part of a Normal unboxing of silicone molds. Okay, they have diamond painting, they have cross stitch, and they have other DIY craft. Okay, so we got three things today. One is some open vessels, which are good for necklaces. Let's take a look at them. At these. Oh, they have for earrings too. Earring finding, and they have a couple, about 4 keychains, just in case you want to do keychains. And there's some ear wires. Let me get you closer. Let me zoom you in. Okay, so they have some ear wires and so we got some gold open vessels. This one you use a special tape where you tape it in there, put it in there, and then you pour the resin. These ones are good also for UV. We have them in gold. You know, we had all these nice looking shapes, right? Then we have these ones in silver, I believe are the same ones. Oh, we got another one here in gold. So here it is in gold. I was gonna say we're missing. It's the same shape but in silver gold and kind of brass color. Here it is, silver gold, and then you have them in brass. And they look like they're sturdy, you know. It's not like it's gonna bend. Unless, of course, you run over a card on top of it. And sometimes that will last well. Unless you run a car over it, you know, it should last you with a normal tear on the normal wear, you know. So these are nice, a good selection of shapes for open vessels. I like this. I gotta test this too. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do. And these are good little gift. And they don't sell too expensive either. But they last. Okay? With the normal wear, of course. Like I said, if you pass a car, run over with a car, well... So it's gonna, but these are neat. I like this. I like this shape, these geometrical shapes. This one, I like this one. This is neat. Let's go to the next. The next one is one that you guys should know that I probably chose it. You know why? Because this one, you can do a memorial for your dogs if you have more than one. Okay, you have this, where you're gonna put this. Standing up when you get to do it. I don't know if this should be part of it or not. Well, I don't think so because it's not inside. So this probably I needed to cut it out. And this goes inside here, right? And you create a resin mold. You create something where you can put the picture of your dogs in here, or you can put all the pictures of all the dogs together over here. And you can put, if you have 4 dogs that pass away, you can provide the ashes and they can be put one of each one of them, and a nice photograph of all of them over here. Those are different ideas, you know. And we can put the name on it in here of the doggies, or the names in here, right? Or the names of the doggies over here that's still, you know, alive, and then a picture of all of them, and it will be a nice stem. It's not that I'm planning to have 4 dogs, but I need to create memorials for Mickey, and I don't like to think about that time. I like to think about one day at a time, but that's something that you have to keep in mind. So you get ready, although nobody gets ready about losing their precious fur baby. Nobody's ready for that, especially when you spend so many years together. Sorry for the noise. You spend so many years together. That's what I got these molds, because I wanted something for that in that part. Now let's get into this one. This one is a little bit different. This is a box that you can illuminate. It comes with all the parts. It's hard to get out of these bags. Okay. Here it comes a tape, and this. Okay, here it is. It's an hexagon, right? When you do the box, it's supposed to be like this, and then you get these plates. I gotta see. I gotta see how this fit into this. Because maybe you gotta do a layer over here and then put it in here, right? And it will look real nice. But this is a box that you do. And here is a stand for the box with your light system, and it's a USB. It's no battery operate. Okay, it's no battery operated. Here are the little lights that are gonna illuminate, and here is a USB. So, and this is the button that you press to do this. This is a project that will take the whole day, and it's gonna take me more time to do this type one. And it comes with a tape. I'm assuming that is to tape the round thing over here. Yeah, because this is the part that you fill out with resin. Yeah, this is where you put, this makes a hole where you put the cord on it. And then you put this. But this is a nice decorating box that I would like to do. And it comes with 2 molds. Okay, so let me try to get this in here, because I don't want to get it damaged. This is something that is later down the road. Right now I'm just making jewelry stuff, so then I want to do home decor. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to put it over here so it won't get damaged. Cover it. Let me put all the items, components that goes in here with this, including the tape. I'm assuming that this is a double-sided tape. Let me check. Or just a plain masking tape. Yeah, it looks like it's a plain masking tape. A thin one. So that's probably to hold the cable in place. And you put it together. This is kind of a little more intermediate advanced. So this is what we got this time. I like the bezels. I gotta put it aside because I'm putting the jewelry stuff aside. So thank you for watching again the second part. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. That's the most important thing from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.